Hello, this is Mrs. Palin, co-owner and program director of Palin's Martial Arts. Let's go over how to install the new member app on your phone. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the App Store. Whether you're on Android or iOS, you're going to go to whatever your App Store is. I'm going to search for Spark Member. So Spark is a software that allows us to host this app. The Spark Member app has a white logo with a flame on it. Now I'll go ahead and hit download. It is a free app. You shouldn't have to pay for anything. And then I'll go to open. So this is going to say, let me show you around, and then ask you if it can send you notifications. I would definitely click allow. This will make sure that if we send you a message through the app, that you'll get a notification for it. It's going to give you a brief tutorial for the menu items. It's going to show you the dashboard. I also did a video on all this. You guys can see that as well. You do have to log in, so you have to be an official member of our school, which if you're watching this video, that means you probably are. And then we also send push notifications, just letting you know about that. So click Get Started. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is choose your country. So select United States. Not Australia, but United States. Then choose our region, which is our state, so I click California. Choose your location. It is showing you any martial arts school in the area that are using this, so I want to go to P for Palin's Martial Arts and click Next. Then you're going to put in your email address that you gave us, which is the email you used when enrolling. So I'm going to use my email now. And click Next. It's going to ask you for a password. At this point, you don't have a password, so you guys are going to click Send Password again. The software will auto-generate a password for you and send it to your email. Now, you may have already done this through an email we sent previously to get started. If you have already requested your password and received it, use that now. If not, click Send Password again. You'll have to toggle to your email and copy the password that was sent to you and paste it here. You'll be able to change your password in the app later. I have a password, and now let's see if I can remember it. Great, I remembered. Now, if you have multiple family members, you'll be able to toggle in between them. I'm in here twice, so I'm going to choose the first one and click Select. If you are installing the app for the first time, it is going to ask you to use your location here. You do want to at least have it allowed while using the app because it will make sure that the check-in functionality on the phone will work so you guys are actually able to check in for attendance. So you should click on Allow While Using App here. And that is how you install the new member app onto your phone. To see a walkthrough of the complete app, please watch the next video. Have a great day.